2015 Chevy Silverado 5.3 liter V8. What we got done on this beautiful truck, got factory converter there, and right there. Then it goes, then there's an flex pipe right after, 2.5-inch pipe. And what we did is put a CARVEN system on it, CARVEN TR Performance, part number CVETR 25. There'll be a link in the description. 2.25 in. And then we added a Y pipe to it and ran 2.25 tailpipes out the back on each side, there and there, into 4-inch roll tips, there and there, as you guys can see. And there's the stock muffler that was on it, stock resonator, stock tailpipe. We cut all that off and ran duals. Look up, right there. Like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe for more beautiful content. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Much nicer. I put on it the CARVEN TRs. It's a really quality muffler. It's stainless steel. Give it gas. That sounds nice. Oh, that's perfect. Again. There's sound decibels. Again. That's perfect. Right at 94, so it'll reach probably about 100 when you get on it. Yeah. What do you guys think? Chevy Silverado 5.3. Chevy Silverado 2015 duals with CARVEN TR. Too much traffic.